off his boot.
You butthead.
Get the other one.
Ah, don't bite me. I'll bite you like that. Okay, Johnny. Deal with me. Ow!
You're going to have to get off anyway to get the boot back on. Oh, yeah, that's safe.
He's gonna bite my butt. Ah!
Oh!
I'm not closer to the ground.
Yeah, you are. Now go put up the jump.
Bite me, I'm gonna bite you back.
Get her. He's gonna get you. Go get the jump.
Don't do this at home, kids. Okay.
I got it. Johnny, come here. No, he's gonna take the boot off again. Go the other one now. Chuck.
Dad, phone me. Start having the kids get a show when they're pay you to take off in the car. Leave it.
Come here.
What?
Come here, Johnny.
I don't know that language. I don't speak your language.
I think Johnny likes him.
I think Johnny just deals with him so he doesn't get smacked.
Don't take his boot off again. Johnny, come here. Don't walk away from me, mister. Oh, he's gonna take it off again. Grab his rein. He's gonna get it.
Here you go. Ew.
Johnny.
Look at him. He's like, I found it. Pupper.
Oh, well, of course you do. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.